Having seen the elephants in the wild in Sri Lanka, we were really excited when we heard about Elephant Nature Park and the work it does to rescue elephants that aren't quite so lucky. We purposely booked our visit for the end of our trip, so it was a highlight before we go home, as we often find the end of the trip's a bit sad. So we were really worried when we heard about the flooding, not only for the animals but only because we were desperate to go. Luckily it all turned out okay in the end, and we were one of the first groups that got to stay there, so exciting times.
It's been a real struggle editing these videos because there's just so many clips of cool elephants, so we've cut it down as much as we can, but it will be over several parts. So if you want to make sure you don't miss any, please subscribe to the channel and then you'll be notified when they come out. And I think I'll probably do one that's just elephants uncut, that's got every elephant clip we did for those of you who love elephants as much as we do. Lovely stay here at the Sakhorn Hotel in Chiang Mai. So we have breakfast just there, swimming pool at that bit there. And our room was that one just up there. Anyway, we're now waiting to be picked up to go to Elephant Nature Park for a week's volunteering and shoveling mud. So they're due at, well, any time between 9 and 9:45, so hopefully they'll be on time. Pickup was bang on time and we joined a very full minibus of volunteers to head up to the park. Okay, we just dumped our bags and wandered into the restaurant area, and there's 3 elephants in sight already and plenty of dogs who've greeted us as well, so just hoping this is a sign of things to come. But it is very bare and exposed here. You can see where the flood's done its work, and all the people, a couple of people who've been here before were just saying this was completely green and verdant when they were last here, and now it's just mud and dirt. So yeah, lots of work to do, so I'm sure we'll be helping with that over the next few days.
Do you tell him? Come on, he said, yeah, in the fence, he's safe here. You can have a big mouth. What are you doing? Yeah, we
I have been working here about 3 years so far, and I'm the one-stop volunteer coordinator that's going to stay with you guys.
I will be sleep. I would like to know that we have walk and dog.
Okay, probably the most pleasantly surprising room tour yet. We've arrived at the Elephant Nature Park, which is lovely, and we really weren't sure what the accommodation would be like, because up until last week, it turns out, everyone was in homestays and sort of 15-20 minute drive away, but we are the first guests to get the newly refurbished post-flood rooms, and it's really nice. The lady showing us here did say we had the best block, elephant walk block, dual aspect, you've got a view out that way. You can see all the rubble from where they've been clearing, and there's still lots of mud to go. And then coming back this way, 2 big beds, nice bathroom, and then we've got another view out this way as well to the old mattresses that got soaked and have just been dumped there for now. But apparently this is called elephant walk rooms because elephants walk along here every morning, which would be cool. Just wandering around and come across the elephant kitchen, which I think we'll be helping in later in the week, but you can see the sheer amount of food that these guys get through. yeah, phenomenal quantities and trucks arriving and leaving. You can see here an overview of the main camp of ENP. A lot of the buildings hidden in the trees here, so that's where all the accommodation blocks are and where we were staying. And then as you come forward, you'll see the main building just emerging from the trees, so in the middle there, which is where all the admin and restaurant, etc. are. And you can just see the amount of devastation caused by the flooding, with the mud and the diggers already trying to get rid of as much as possible. I think this has got to be my new favourite place ever, to sit with a Chiang and a bag of crisps as the sun goes down, and you can see the elephants wandering about in the distance before they get put to bed for the night. Gorgeous. The elephants have just crossed the river, hence why they're wet up to the top of their legs, and they then come this way to head over to where they're going to spend the day, following the food as ever. This is why our rooms are called Elephant Walk. We'd given up on it, thought it wasn't going to happen this morning, but here they go. Spot something he fancies. Off to work. We're on hay gathering duty this morning. Elephants don't seem fussed by the trucks at all. And we're off in this truck to go and get hay from the nearby village. Jan working hard. Not sure who's taking who for a walk here. I think the dog is definitely in control. I know. Bella. Oh, good girl. What a good girl.
She's such a speedy.
She is.
That her foot keeps coming out because I think she's still trying to use it all the time.
Oh, good dog.
Really sad.
Just walking along, walking one of the dogs, and around every corner there's a random elephant. Just sat there minding his own business. Oh, turning around to see what's going on. You can always go onto the walkway down by the river, and we did on this day just after lunch, and we were really lucky because we saw this young bull elephant come across from another area.
The woman in charge, the elephant in charge, was clearly not happy, and very quickly she had him in the water and put him in his place. It was a real moment of mother and a teenage boy sorting him out. It was very entertaining.
It was, and another of the older female elephants came across to see if she needed any help, which clearly she didn't, because she had him well and truly cornered. couldn't use this bridge over the river to where all the bull elephants were kept on the other side, but it was damaged in the flood. But these two certainly didn't help it. They had a fair bit of time under the bridge bashing the girders that were there, and there was a big concrete pillar the other side they were trying to move, and then they had a roll in the water and ended up having a lovely time despite their initial disagreements. Elephant Nature Park is the first elephant rescue and rehab centre of its kind in Asia. Many of the elephants living there have been rescued from street begging, elephant riding, circus shows, where they sustained both physical and psychological injuries. Back to their pens for the night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Nearly missed him right next to me.
You want to say hi?
This one, her name is Tong E. She's a little troublemaker, but she's beautiful.
Yeah.
She loves our founder so much. Tong E, she about 9 years old. She just turned to 9 years old. Really young baby. She loves me because I'm always bring elephant cake to her. Our activity is make elephant cake, right?
Yeah.
And I always bring her, and she thought I maybe come with.
So she won't be happy now because you haven't got any.
Upset her, look.
Happy birthday, best friend.